Thank you so much for sharing and elaborating on those details, Mike. A few things that called out to me was when you discussed accountability and leadership. I know that you were an Eagle Scout, which is a really big honor even all these years later.
Yes. Well, what it really does is not only influences your life, it actually demonstrates your ability to provide leadership, and that achievement is really what an Eagle Scout is.
That's great. What did that journey, becoming an Eagle Scout and earning that honor, teach you about life, goals, a sense of purpose, and how do you currently still apply those learnings to your professional life and leadership style?
You dedicate yourself to achieve the excellence that underpins what an Eagle Scout is. One was an expectation. You paint a picture of a vision, and then you commit to that vision. One of the most important pieces is curiosity and learning. There are dozens and dozens and dozens of merit badges in about every topic you can imagine. You get to actually go and select things to try, road test, if you will. It gives you an opportunity to spend time with a mentor, and even though you may not pursue it as a, quote, career, you have a bit of more understanding of what people do who are in those various fields. And it does actually open doors to things that ultimately may become the heart of what your career is. It just continues to fuel the curiosity, the passion, and the hunger for lifelong learning. There are certain tasks that you have to perform and show proficiency in order to progress and in order to secure merit badges. And the merit badges that are required for Eagle Scout, they come in a couple different flavors. One is citizenship, and what service means as it relates to citizenship. And then finally, the leadership aspect. As you progress up through the scouting ranks, there's a requirement for progressive leadership. The bottom line is all of that kind of hinges on teamwork and self-reliance and how the two play with each other. They're not mutually exclusive. The self-reliance helps you be a better team member. Whether you're a leader or whether you're a follower within a team, basic confidence that you can handle things gives the team a better member.
That's great. It really sounds like that experience as an Eagle Scout laid that foundation to be a great team member